Art Collector is an app for smart devices of any kind that allows you to collect GPS located features on your device and then sync those features up to the cloud. And when I say the cloud, I mean ArcGIS Online. So there's a whole range of different apps that do this kind of thing, but Art Collector's kind of unique in that it syncs in really nicely with the rest of the ArcGIS software series. And you have the ability to customize the kinds of things that you're collecting and the base maps on which you're collecting. It's free to use. However, the preparation of the data and hosting that data on the ArcGIS server, ArcGIS Online, does cost credits. And so you need to have like an institutional account, and those credits cost some sort of money. The bare bones that you need for this is a GPS-enabled device of some sort. You would also need that device to have one of 3 operating systems, I think Android, iOS, or Windows Mobile. And Art Collector seems to, compared to other apps, work really well on all of those operating systems and on a range of devices. The other functionality that you would require in order to sync your data from your phone up to ArcGIS Online is some sort of Wi-Fi capability. So the phone doesn't even really need to be a phone to actually have cell service. In fact, our field tablet fleet that we have in geology, they don't have SIM cards in them at all. It just has good GPS and the ability to link into the Wi-Fi so they can collect points in the field and then sync them up via Wi-Fi later on. You would choose to use Art Collector, say, over other apps if you were interested in customizing the kinds of features that you take into the field. The ability to take GPS points in sort of a crowdsourced way, which is one of the other features of Art Collector. So team mapping, either for reconnaissance purposes after a disaster or just working with survey teams. One of the other reasons that we chose Art Collector is that you have the ability to add like a quick attachment to your phone that gives you survey grade GPS. By adding this attachment and syncing it in with Art Collector, you can get down to sort of centimeter scale accuracy for more research style applications.